anything you want to share about Royal Basketball?
I mean, the coaches are really nice, and they help me with issues that I like. If I can't like dribble correctly, they would help me, or they would help me with drills that I especially am not good at.
Who's your coach?
Coach Vinny.
What is about Coach Vinny? Is he funny? How's
Yeah,
your coach?
he's very funny.
Is he teaching you a lot?
Yeah.
It's a good experience, and seeing some coaches are still there really it helps me, and yeah.
The coaches are great, the staffs are great, and the people here are great. None of them are rude, none of them are bullies, and you just have a great time.
The coaches like understand you, like if they correct your mistakes, and like give you good criticism for you to work on, and yeah.
Do you have a favorite coach here at Royal?
Everybody's very good here. I have everybody's favorite. My favorite.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What about Coach Anna?
She's good.